Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing how to pay off credit card debt quickly and easily. Credit card debt can be a major financial burden for many people, causing stress and anxiety. However, there are ways to tackle this problem and get out of debt faster. In this video, we will be sharing some tips and real-life examples of how to pay off your credit card debt fast. Tip 1. Prioritize your debts. When prioritizing your debts, it's important to understand the difference between the interest rate and the minimum payment. The interest rate is the amount you are charged for borrowing money on your credit card, and the minimum payment is the minimum amount you are required to pay each month to avoid late fees and penalties. By organizing your debts by interest rate, you can focus on paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first. This will help you save money on interest charges over time and pay off your debt faster. Real-life example, let's say you have 4 credit cards with balances. Card A has a balance of $5,000 and an interest rate of 20%. Card B has a balance of $3,000 and an interest rate of 18%. Card C has a balance of $2,000 and an interest rate of 15%. Card D has a balance of $1,000 and an interest rate of 12%. In this scenario, you should focus on paying off Card A first since it has the highest interest rate. Tip 2. Increase your payments. When it comes to paying off credit card debt, the minimum payment is not enough. By only paying the minimum payment each month, you are extending the length of time it will take to pay off your debt and increasing the amount of interest you will pay over time. By increasing your payments, you can pay off your debt faster and save money on interest charges. It's important to remember that even small increases in your payments can have a big impact over time. Real-life example, let's say you have a credit card balance of $5,000 with an interest rate of 18%. If you only pay the minimum payment of $100 each month, it will take you over 7 years to pay off the balance, and you will end up paying over $4,000 in interest. However, if you increase your payments to $250 per month, you can pay off the balance in just over 2 years and only pay about $1,000 in interest. Tip 3. Consolidate your debt. Consolidating your credit card debt can be an effective way to pay it off faster. This means transferring your balances to a single credit card with a lower interest rate. This can help you save money on interest charges and make it easier to manage your payments. There are several ways to consolidate your debt, including balance transfer credit cards, personal loans, and home equity loans. However, it's important to remember that consolidation is not a solution for everyone. It's important to do your research and consider the fees and interest rates associated with each option. Real-life example, let's say you have 3 credit cards with balances and interest rates as follows. Card A has a balance of $5,000 and an interest rate of 18%. Card B has a balance of $3,000 and an interest rate of 15%. And Card C has a balance of $2,000 and an interest rate of 12%. If you consolidate these balances onto a new credit card with an interest rate of 10%, you could save money on interest charges and pay off your debt faster. Tip 4. Cut expenses and increase income. Cutting your expenses and increasing your income can also help you pay off your credit card debt faster. This means finding ways to reduce your monthly expenses and finding ways to earn more money. You can use the extra money to pay off your debt faster. Cutting expenses can be as simple as reviewing your monthly bills and finding ways to reduce them. This could include canceling subscriptions you no longer use, switching to a cheaper phone plan, or cutting back on eating out. Increasing your income can be done by taking on a side job or freelancing. Real life example, let's say you currently spend $200 each month on eating out. By cutting back and bringing your lunch to work instead, you could save $100 each month. Additionally, let's say you start freelancing on the weekends and earn an extra $200 per month. This extra $300 could be put towards paying off your credit card debt faster. Tip 5. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to pay off your credit card debt, seeking professional help can be a good option. This could include working with a credit counselor or a debt consolidation company. These professionals can help you create a budget, negotiate with creditors, and create a debt repayment plan. Real-life example, let's say you have several credit cards with high balances, and you're struggling to keep up with your payments. You could work with a credit counselor who can help you create a budget, prioritize your debts, and negotiate with creditors to lower your interest rates. This can help you pay off your debt faster and get back on track financially. Paying off credit card debt can be challenging, but with the right strategies, it is possible to do it quickly and efficiently. By prioritizing your debts, increasing your payments, consolidating your debt, cutting expenses and increasing your income, and seeking professional help, you can pay off your credit card debt faster and get back on track financially. Remember to stay focused, committed, and disciplined, and you will be able to achieve your financial goals. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance, career, and entrepreneurship tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.